Welcome back. Today we're going to show you a new little product that I really like for filling your 1 pound propane cylinders. I've been using another little system that works, but this system was professional grade and works great, and you can get a full cylinder charge each time. Fuel keg, I think that's how you say it, by Mr. Heater. It's got a specialized fill bottle that you can bleed off the vapor so you can get more liquid in it, just like you would a big tank. It's got a little special little valve here on the side. The kit comes with the apparatus you screw to your bottle, 20-pound bottle or 100, whatever size bottle you can turn upside down. Pretty nice setup, just like you'd see at a propane fueling station. This kit comes with legs you can put on the bottle, so you can turn the bottle upside down and support it. And this screws on just like any fitting would on your regular propane bottle. So we're going to screw it on, snug it up good, and you only want to do this outdoors. I'm just giving you this an example here. I'm not telling you how to do this. Always read the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and turn the bottle on and flip this upside down. Hang it off the side of a table, bench, whatever you're working with here. Let's see if I can get this centered. And zoom in just a touch more. You can see what's going on here. Something like that. You take your bottle, line it up with your line-up pins here. And tighten it up. Just the way I do it. And we got the bottle on, and all you got to do is press down on your lever here. And this is where you bleed your pressure off. You can turn the knob here. That's what I usually do. And just hold down on your lever. You can hear the vapors bleeding off. It takes about 50-60 seconds. Got a hole off to the side here that bleeds off the pressure. You can manually pull on this pin if you like, but right now it's dropping liquid down into the bottle. I twist this. You can probably hear it. But when it starts spitting liquid out, you know the tank is full. I don't know if there's a float or a set-off valve in there. Some of your tanks may have. You definitely don't want to be smoking while you're doing this. Starting to spew. There we go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're full. Let go of your lever. we have us a completely full bottle of propane now. You sit in here and turn the tank off. What I do, see if we can force any more into the tank. I think we're full. Unscrew your tank here. You're ready to go. It comes with some nice little plastic caps. These are nice tanks. They don't have to worry about them leaking like you would the regular green tanks that are not designed for refilling, that you can refill. I just feel more comfortable filling these up. They're really nice, professional. A friend of mine showed me this system. I had to go out and buy one for myself. Bottles are about $17, $18 a piece. I believe this kit, the fuel mechanism, was $25, $30, something like that. Less than 30 bucks at Northern Tool is where I purchased. Fuel keg, I think is what it's called, by Mr. Heater. Great setup. If you're into refilling your propane bottles, very well worth it. 20-pound tank, I think it holds 15 pounds, something like that, propane. One bottle of this nowadays, 1 pound, is selling for like $6. You can buy 20 pounds for what, 19 to 25 bucks, 26 bucks at most places. So you do the math, how many times you can fill this up compared to buying. So there you have it. The perfect truck campers DIY project of the day. Filling your 1 pound cylinder propane tank. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And hope this has been informative for some of you. And hope you've learned something and it helps you out in some way, manner, or fashion. So, y'all have a great day and see you on the next one.